Please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, then click the bell and then click all. Every like and subscribe helps us make more great videos for you. This video shows you how to connect your Windows 10 to a Wi-Fi network. Now, normally you'd do this during the setup of Windows 10, but if you've, say, changed router or going to a different place with a different router, then you'll need to set it up manually. So all you do is just get the details off of the back of the router. That is the wireless network name, or SSID, and the wireless password. Or it might be the WPA key shown on the back of the router. But have a look on the back or the side or the underneath of the router, and you should see, let's say, a sticker with those details on. That is the wireless network name, or SSID, or wireless name it may be referred to, and also the wireless password, or it might just say password, or it may say WPA key or WEP key or wireless key. Any one of those. Just have a look at the back of your router, make a note of the details. Please make sure that you write these down carefully, because any password is case sensitive. So it means if there's any uppercase letters in your password, then you need to type them in as uppercase letters as and when you're typing in the password. So first of all, you'll notice down the bottom right hand corner of the screen near the clock, there'll be this globe with a circle and like a slash beside it, just here. Once you've seen that, left click once on that, and then a list of wireless networks will appear. So your wireless network name, or SSID, or wireless name should appear in this list here. Once you've found it, move your mouse over it, left click once. Okay, if you're going to connect to this Wi-Fi network regularly, then it's worth leaving this as saying connect automatically. So leave the tick in there if it's at home, or if you're at a friend's house and you're gonna, or at work, or you're gonna connect to it regularly, just leave that tick there and it'll automatically connect whenever you're in range of that Wi-Fi. If you're going to a neighbour's house and connecting to their Wi-Fi, then it may be worth leaving that unticked, because you never know, when you get home, the signal of the neighbour's Wi-Fi might be picked up and it may well still connect to that. But like I say, if you're at home generally, if you're at work, if you're at a place that you're going to connect regular, leave that ticked. Then move your mouse over connect and left click once. Okay, and it then asks you for the network security key. Now this is your wireless password, your WEP key, your WPA key, whatever it's got on the back of the router as your password, not your admin password. This is not your router's admin password, it is the wireless password. So enter in the password as it's shown. Okay, and once you've entered it in, you can double check that you've entered in the right password. Just move your mouse over this little eye here and hold down the left mouse button and keep it held down, and there you go. That reveals the password that you've just typed in. So check it against the password on the back of the router, double check it, triple check it, just to make sure that it's okay. Okay, I've entered this in incorrect, so I'm just going to let go, okay, and it'll go back to dots, and I'm just going to scrub it out and I'm going to type it in again. So let's just do that. Okay, so I've typed in my actual password now, and I just click next just there. So left click next. Okay, so it says verifying and connecting, and there you go, it says connected. Now the next thing to do is click on properties just there. So left click properties. Okay, and what this does is this shows you the details of the Wi-Fi, but it also allows you to change the network profile from public to private. So if this is a personal computer and you're using it at home, you would perhaps want to set it as a private network, just so that anything else on the network has got access to it. So your phones might have access to it, your TVs might need access to it. So click on private there, and there you go, the little dot will eventually appear in the circle just to the left of private. There you go, like it's done. But if you're actually using this Wi-Fi at a friend's house, a holiday house, you know, somewhere that's away from home, then I would suggest leaving it as public, because this locks your PC down so that it doesn't actually share anything with other people on the network. So, and if you're not sure, just leave it as public. Okay, so click on the cross just up there in the top right hand corner of the screen. And there we go, we're now connected. So this down here shows us, it's like a gauge. So the more white or black bars in there, the stronger the signal. The less white or black bars there, the weaker the signal. So there you go, that's now connected. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like this video, then share it on your social media timelines. And if you want to find out about all my latest videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.